Hey guys, getting set up now. We'll be starting in just a few minutes. I need some appropriate music for this. Something that YouTube's not going to take down after I post this video. Let's try this. Let me know how the levels are on that. Seems like it's really loud in my headset, but it may not be for you guys. Hey buddy. Hey Timo. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to focus this laser on the egg, and I have no idea what's going to happen. Things are going to happen, but I don't know what they're going to be. I've got a couple ways I can do this. I can control the laser directly and give it every single input necessary, which means that I'm going to be having it go back and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth in a line. Or I can attempt to automate that, which I think is what I'm going to try. So what I've got here is Inkscape, and this is what helps me convert drawings into printer code, because the laser is hooked up to a printer. Well, the laser is attached to a printer, and I basically tell the printer to print something in one dimension. So what I'm going to tell it to do is draw one line back and forth over and over and over again until we cut that egg in half. So I'm going to attempt that. Take a quick look at my printer here. Hey Paul, good to see you. The egg is not hard boiled. The egg is nothing. Hey Sam. This is a raw egg. It has not been cooked. It has not been, well, it's been touched. I touched it several times. I've removed the egg from the build platform just for calibration purposes because I need to know where this line's going to be. Yeah. This egg, well, actually, I don't know. Could this egg still be brought into this world alive? Hernandez is, he's got no chance. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this egg, like, straight up and down. So, I need to draw a line. Or attempt to draw a line. I don't know this program. I'm mostly just pretending. One of these buttons does a draw thing. Draw freehand. Draw Bezier curve. Ain't no damn Frencher. Let's see what this does. Oh, that we could cut the egg like this. That would be kind of cool. That's not what I'm looking to do. We'll do that for egg number 2, maybe. Where's the line draw? Freehand. Okay. Oh, that's not a very straight line. You draw a straight line. That's a dot. One of these has to draw straight lines. Polygons, spirals. Bezier curve, calligraphy, text. How about we just do text and we draw the letter I in a sans serif font? That seems like the easiest solution. And we scale it appropriately. What is this? It's like a squiggle line. The weird name one had straight lines. Which one was that, Paul? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I don't want the serif. I don't want the thingies on the top and bottom. I just want this. I can't tell if that's straight or if it's... Oh, yeah, that'll work. That'll work. That'll do, pig. We're doing this. We'll scale it to where it's really thin. Oh, the pen tool did? Okay. Yeah, I guess I could have done that, but I've already got the letter now, so we're going to cut a letter I in this egg. There's some symbolism there somewhere. So what we're doing now is we're just creating a draw path for where the laser is going to run. and I still haven't figured out how this tool decides where 0, 0 is on the build plate. It just kind of decides where it wants to shoot the laser, which sounds really unsafe, but I wear safety glasses, I promise. But to test that, we're going to save this, and we're going to put it... Oh, not that one. No, please, no. Uh-oh. Oh, go back. Okay. We're going to put it at 120. See, the drawing plate on this says that it's at 125 on the Y coordinate. But when I take it to the printer, it ends up being like all the way over on the left side. So something's not right there, but we'll figure it out. I'm going to draw this a little bit higher, just in case, and a little bit slimmer, because we just want one laser movement forward and backwards. We don't want to draw a rectangle. So for that, we now have an object on the plate. We're going to create the object path, or the object to path. That creates a path that the laser is going to take. And then we have an extension installed called Generate Laser Code. And this is what creates our printer code. So we're going to call it Explosion. Or egg. If you have anything clever, let me know. Egg. Excellent. Execution? Maybe execution? Okay. So, the one thing that I'm looking at here is the number of passes, and that's the number of times the laser is going to trace out this letter I that we've extended very crazily. And I have absolutely no idea how long it's going to take to cut this egg. But I think what we're going to do 30 passes, and this second line here is how much the laser moves closer to the object each pass. And that's because the focus of the laser is at a certain point, and as we cut more and more out of the object, we want it to focus closer on what we want to cut. If that makes any sense. I'm not good at words, but we'll make that happen. So we're going to change this to 0.1. And I hope that's good enough. So we're going to apply. That's going to create our G code, which will transfer to the printer, which I've got TeamViewer for. This is execution, something. Okay. So that's been transferred. If this music sucks, let me know, I'll turn it off. Okay, I'm going to move over to the printer and do a test run on this, and we'll see where that line's drawn so that I know where to place the egg, because I still haven't completely figured that part out. So that's what we're going to do now. Give me just a minute.
I never make excuses for why I did you good and I've spent all these lonely nights and all these lonely days thinking about you. And I've got so much to say. If you just give me the time of day, thinking about you. And I'm so tired of being alone. I'm so tired of being alone. I'm so tired of being alone.
Okay, so looks good. I need to make this line a little bit taller so that it cuts through the entire egg. So I'm gonna Control Z to remove the code that I've created. Maybe. And we're gonna scale this up a little bit further. Create a new path. Use the extension to create some new G-code. We'll use these settings, should be fine. Hey Mariha. Hey. Sorry I don't have a webcam on because it's pointed at the printer. Okay. Our G-code is created. I need to transfer it over to the computer. I have a separate computer running my printer, which in turn runs the laser beam. So that's there. The next step is going to be focusing the laser, which is still kind of new to me. So I'm stepping away from I'm going to try this. You'll see lots of laser beams, and I promise I'm wearing my safety glasses because I like my eyeballs and I like being able to see.
If you just give me the time of day, I'm thinking about you. And I'm so tired of being alone.
This actually isn't looking very promising. I think the egg is stronger than I thought it would be. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and tell the printer to draw the line, and we'll see what happens. But that laser's been pointed at the egg for a little bit now, and it doesn't seem to be doing any damage. So I might need a better laser to cut eggs. Yeah, I don't actually know what's going to happen here. And from the looks of this, it's very, very boring. It is actually drawing a line in the top. There's a dark line that it's drawing. I don't know if I can focus this any better. Let me try this real quick. Sometimes autofocus just isn't the best thing. And I don't think that a laser like this helps the camera much. At least you can see there that there's a line. It's drawing a line in the egg. But I don't know if it's strong enough to break through the shell. Brandon, I don't have any hot dogs. I'm sorry. I don't know what Eggland's best are. I just buy... Wait. That's the abbreviation on there. You jerk. So at the very least, if this doesn't work out, I'll crack that egg in the bowl and I will engrave my initials on the raw yolk. It's kind of flaring up there like it's burning, but not a whole lot happening. Well, while we're waiting, let me, I'll toast my Slim Jim here on the laser, because nobody likes a cold Slim Jim. If I can open it. I didn't know they made Slim Jims childproof. Come on. Okay, we're good. Raspberry, I tried it in one spot and it wasn't really doing much. We'll try the Slim Jim. Oh, forgot my safety glasses. Not very hot. Yeah, this isn't working out very well. Yeah, I'll try it in one spot, and we'll let it go for a while and see if it burns a hole in it. It's still a terrible picture. I don't know how to go about making that better because I think the glare from the laser kind of destroys it. Unless I turn the light down, maybe that'll help. Nope, that's just as bad. Well, I'm going to let that run for a little bit. I'm going to go see if I can find a pack of matches. See if we can light matches with this laser. Because that's fun. We like putting things on fire. Yeah, that's true, Timo. We'll make something fun happen, though. Alright, I've managed to track down a pack of matches, so we're going to see if this will light matches on fire, which it should. If it doesn't, I'll be very surprised. Well, it'll light matches on fire. If the egg is cooked when I crack it open, that means it's hard boiled. Or the laser did a really good job, which I don't think that's the case. So, I guess it's time to crack it open and see what happens. So let's do that now. Alright, so I think to start out, I'm just going to shine the laser at it for a little while, and we'll see what happens. This might be the most disappointing thing I've ever done in my entire life. So the laser is focused at the egg, but the camera can't pick that up, so it looks like garbage. I think that's about the best I can do. And I really can't tell if it's doing anything. It doesn't seem to be. I think if I sit here long enough it might do something, but I'm not very hopeful or optimistic. Well, this is severely disappointing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop things here, because this is not getting any more fun. Thanks for watching. Next time we'll blow more things up.